Meghan trembles like a leaf. Meg begging Samantha as her lawyers sent shocking evidence to court. Meghan Markle's lawyers are attempting to block moves by her half-sister to depose their father Thomas Markle in a defamation lawsuit. The Duchess of Sussex is being sued by Samantha Markle over her interview with Oprah Winfrey and material published in a biography, Finding Freedom. Lawyers for Samantha have indicated they want to depose, testify to under oath or by sworn affidavit, Thomas Markle between October 5 and 21, and are also seeking testimony from Prince Harry and Oprah herself. However, Meghan's team have asked the judge to halt the process of collecting and releasing evidence, known as discovery, until after a ruling on whether the lawsuit should be thrown out. Their motion argues the Duchess did not make the statements in Finding Freedom, which was written by Omid Scobie and Caroline Durand, and that her statements to Oprah about her relationship with her half-sister were non-actionable opinion that are also substantially true. Their filing read, a deposition of Mr. Markle at this juncture, along with other discovery, would be an unnecessary spectacle and waste of the parties' time, money, and resources. Samantha Markle should not be permitted to force Meghan and, potentially, numerous non-parties to devote substantial resources to extraneous discovery while a meritorious motion that could dispose of the entire case is pending. Her lawyers added that Meghan was exercising fundamental First Amendment rights to free speech and added that allowing discovery to take place now, when the case could be thrown out anyway, would be unfair. The filing read, as discussed below, discovery in this case should be stayed pending resolution of the motion to dismiss because, 1. The motion is clearly meritorious and will dispose of the case. 2. A brief stay of discovery will not prejudice or harm Samantha Markle, and, 3. Discovery will harm Meghan, other non-parties, the court, and the interests protected by the First Amendment. It is unclear whether Samantha will succeed in all her requests for depositions, but the list of potential witnesses is substantially longer than in Prince Andrew's sexual abuse lawsuit brought by Virginia Giuffre. Samantha, with whom Meghan shares a dad, has claimed that following the airing of the Sussexes' interview with Oprah Winfrey in 2021 and the publication of the biography Finding Freedom by Caroline Durand and Omid Scobie, she has been subjected humiliation, shame and hatred on a worldwide scale. The 57-year-old, who, together with Thomas Markle Jr., is from Thomas's first marriage to Roslyn Lovelace, is seeking $75,000, £57,000, in damages from the Duchess, who is the only child from Thomas's second marriage to Doria Ragland, and claims that the hatred she was subjected to came as a direct result of the image that Meghan has painted of their relationship. Samantha is asserting that several of Meghan's childhood recollections discussed during the now-famous interview were fabricated, in particular, the fact that she had said she grew up as an only child. The Duchess's legal team have argued against the claim, suggesting Meghan's statement about her childhood cannot be false considering it is a textbook example of a subjective statement about how a person feels about her childhood. The documents read, Plaintiff, Samantha, first asserts that she can disprove that Meghan grew up as an only child. But this perception is inherently unfalsifiable. It is hard to imagine a more personal and subjective feeling than how one views their own childhood. Moreover, plaintiff's opposition completely ignores the context of the statement, where Ms. Winfrey asked Meghan about her relationship with plaintiff, to whom Ms. Winfrey referred as her half-sister on her father's side. Meghan's response to that question that she grew up as an only child was obviously not meant to be a statement of objective fact that she had no genetic siblings or half-siblings. Rather, it was a textbook example of a subjective statement about how a person feels about her childhood. Meghan's team are also arguing that due to the statements in Finding Freedom not being made by Meghan herself, she cannot be liable for them. It is that simple, they said in the statement. Thomas Markle has also previously challenged several of his daughter's descriptions of her childhood and adolescence, including a letter she wrote to House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer.